Hey everybody, I'm back with a brand new video. Last time we did random port and we did fail to ban on SSH, and today we are going to do two-factor authentication on an SSH port using this Google PAM module for authentication. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we want to do for the tutorial, and I'll link this tutorial in the description of the video. Next thing we want to do is grab the authenticator. Okay, say yes. Wait for that to finish. So what this does, this adds two-factor authentication using your phone for SSH login. So when you want to SSH, is that not only will you need a public-private key, you'll also need your phone and a special code that gets created for you on your phone that you use to log in with. If you guys have ever done sort of those using the Google Authenticator app, been prompted for two-factor authentication on what sort of ever account. There's a bunch of them online now that support two-factor authentication. But you can do the same sort of thing with SSH, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So that you need a verification code before you can log in. So now that that's finished up, let's go Google Authent. So yes, okay. So now we get this code that we need to scan. So what we're going to do now, so what I'm doing now at the moment is I'm opening up a two-factor authentication app. So the most popular, I think, is the Google Authenticator app, but I've actually got an app called Duo, and I'll link that in the description as well, for storing all my codes. The reason why I use a different one than the Google Authenticator is that some of these other authenticator apps work across your devices, so they're more cloud-based. So let's get on with it. So do you want authentication to be time-based? Do you want to do some on multiple users? Let's say, do you want to, yeah, let's do that for now. Nope. So we're just kind of following the prompts, because I had a look at the prompts previously, and it looks like they give you the best case scenario, or the best security, sorry, put it that way. Okay, so let's see. We've got that. We want to edit this file, and we don't want to use nano because I like them. Okay. Okay, so we want to drop this at the end of the file. What we want to do next is, wait, sorry about that. Edit this file, and then on the so what this so this is for that configuration is for the secret token, the OTP that you get. So this allows you to enter it, if I remember correctly. Okay, so now what we want to do is restart SSH. Get back in here. Copy paste all of this stuff across. We want to go back to this file over here, and then we want to look for common auth. Okay, well, okay, no, that's up there. Okay. So let's see if we can get back onto a server. So now I've already set up the public-private key pair. So now I'm getting a token that is on my device, and cool, so I'm in. So let's try with a random token that doesn't work. And it says, prompts me again for the verification code. So now I'm putting back in the right one. It's probably expired. Okay. Looks like it's logged me out for now because of the fact that I have the wrong verification code. You see, one of the things we did up here was we rate limited somebody to get into the server for that token. So let's see, actually we've got another token now. Okay, so let's see, got a new token now, 365, and we're back in, and that is two-factor authentication with SSH. So now we've got that installed as well. So on the server, because I set it up just for this video, I haven't done the random port and I haven't done the fail to ban, but the idea is to combine both of those two ideas, the random port, the fail to ban, and this Google Authenticator, to really harden up your SSH. So I think there's one more important thing that we can do with hardening SSH port, and that is more to do with users that have already been authorized on the server. So you've had an employee or somebody else that helped you on the server. They're no longer with the organization, or they're no longer helping you, but you want to ban them. Now, if you have multiple servers, this process gets a bit difficult, and keeping track of who's on that server, who's got permission, who doesn't. So I think the next thing that we'll be tackling is actually more around user management using LDAP, because I see there are some solutions for it, but I haven't actually tried it. So what I'm going to go do now in my spare time for the next video is I'm going to go have a look at that LDAP integration with SSH, and then if I get a solution, I'm going to come back with you. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of this, then please subscribe. If you like the video, then please like it. And until next time, cheers guys.